Burn injuries are among the most dangerous medical emergencies we face at sea. The combination of heat, chemicals, and electricity, along with the isolated environment of a ship, makes understanding burns and their severity crucial for effective first aid. First-degree burns, the mildest type, affect only the outer layer of skin. You'll notice redness and mild pain, but no blisters. Second-degree burns are more serious. They involve both the outer and underlying layers of skin, causing intense pain, redness, blistering, and swelling. Third-degree burns are the most severe, affecting all layers of skin and potentially damaging muscle and bone. The skin may appear white, leathery, or charred, and these burns can be life-threatening. At sea, the most common causes of burns include thermal burns from hot surfaces or steam, chemical burns from strong acids or cleaning agents, and electrical burns from faulty wiring. Each type requires immediate action to prevent further damage and complications like infection or shock. When treating burns, the first step is to remove the person from danger. If it's a thermal burn, get them away from the heat source. For chemical burns, ensure you're wearing personal protective equipment before assisting. Once they're safe, the next critical step is to cool the burn. Run cool or lukewarm water over the affected area for at least 20 minutes. This helps stop the burning process and reduces pain and swelling. Avoid using ice or any home remedies, as these can worsen the injury. While cooling the burn, gently remove any loose clothing or jewelry around the area. If clothing is stuck to the burn, don't pull it off. Instead, cut around it to avoid causing more pain or damage. After cooling, cover the burn with a sterile, non-fluffy dressing. This protects the area from infection and keeps air off the wound, which can help reduce pain. Pain management is also crucial. Administer oral pain relievers from your ship's medical kit and monitor the casualty for signs of shock, such as pale skin or rapid breathing. Keep them warm with blankets, especially if they have larger burns, and reassure them while you contact medical assistance. A well-stocked marine first aid kit is essential for handling burn emergencies. Make sure it includes medical gloves, sterile burn sheets, hydrogel dressings, saline solution for eye burns, and trauma shears for cutting clothing. Regularly check the kit to ensure everything is up to date and ready for use. Beyond having the right tools, proactive measures are vital for shipboard safety. Every crew member should undergo regular first aid training, focusing on burn assessment and treatment techniques. Conducting emergency drills that simulate burn scenarios can improve quick recognition and response. Additionally, ensure reliable access to telemedical assistance for real-time guidance on managing severe burns. Implementing strict safety protocols regarding hot work, chemical handling, and electrical safety checks is essential. Proper signage and regular maintenance of equipment can help prevent these injuries from occurring in the first place. Mastering burn treatment is a critical skill for every seafarer. Your ability to respond effectively can make a significant difference in a crew member's recovery and overall well-being. Stay prepared, stay informed, and contribute to the safety of everyone on board.